The bicyclist was seriously injured in a collision between a motorbike and a bicycle. The incident took place on Thursday morning at Assam-Agartala National Highway near Town Hall under Telemura police station. On Thursday morning, a man named Sanju Modak was seriously injured with a head-on collision between his bicycle and a motorbike. This incident took place on Thursday morning on the Assam-Agartala National Highway near Town Hall under Telemura police station. Passers-by witnessed the incident and informed Telemura Fire Brigade personnel. The Fire Brigade personnel rescued the injured person from the spot and took him to Telemura Sub-Divisional Hospital. The doctor on duty at the hospital referred the injured cyclist to GB Hospital for better treatment after first aid.
সকালে কাজে বাইরেছে টাউনের সামনে বাইকে বাড়ি মারছে
তানে কিসে ছিল
বাইসাইকেল
নাম কি ওনার কি করে
রাজমিস্ত্রি কাজ করে কাঠমিস্ত্রি
কোন সময় হয়েছে ঘটনা
সকালে জিবি রেফার করছে বেশি একটা
Meanwhile, locals said that this incident might have occurred because of the overspeeding of the bike. Reported by Hiran Moy from Telemura, Chini Khorang.